Check out this Jeep 2017 Grand Cherokee Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: blind spot and cross-path detection included, auto-dim exterior passenger mirror, 3.27 rear axle ratio, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, ECO suspension I, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, power sunroof, billet silver metallic clear coat, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer and radio, Uconnect 3C nav with 8.4 display included, HD radio rear view auto dim mirror integrated voice command with Bluetooth 5-year Sirius XM travel link service GPS navigation 5-year Sirius XM traffic service Sirius XM travel link roadside assistance and 9-1-1 call Sirius XM